Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, we will be discussing about how to find saved jobs on LinkedIn. Now, before we start, I'd like to invite you to click the link in the description below to get your done for you LinkedIn profile that will transform your account into an income generating asset, upgrade your career, and attract global opportunities. So what you're going to be doing is simply head over to the job section from the top of your page. From here on the left side, you can see we have my jobs. Head over to that. So these are the jobs that you have saved, as you can see highlighted as well. You can even see in progress, applied, and archived jobs as well. If you want to remove this job from saved, click on these three dots and click on unsave and it will be removed. So that's how easily you can access your saved jobs and even remove them. So that completes our video. Do not forget to click the link in the description below to get your done for you LinkedIn profile. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Until next video, take care and goodbye.